Share
What
all
a woman.
the love.
What a woman.
What a woman. Power.
Power.
Katie, you're a woman.
I am. I almost said you are too. Just as a natural response.
Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Kate.
Oh wow, she has showed up. we are.
My timing has been very off lately. I'm Katie Tappan.
That was an entrance.
Yeah, thanks.
To Vocal
We
Lab
should
Collective.
slow-mo it so y'all can see.
Yeah, can we do that, Carlos? Can we give a slow-mo on that one?
Can we do a slow-mo? My face will be hilarious.
Yeah, who's Larry?
But
you got that one. You sure did. And you liked it.
Oh,
hey.
Love a good Larry. Guys.
What? I don't even know what that means. But
I don't know either.
It was funny.
Probably because I toured with VeggieTales.
Oh,
and so,
yeah, same.
You know, there were some good Larrys and there were some bad Larrys.
And there were some good Bobs and some bad Bobs.
Yeah, yep.
And it was
there was
common.
Always a great Jimmy the Gourd.
And it was common their eyes would pop off in the middle of a show.
Yes.
And when you're a 6-year-old kid and the eyes of your hero pop off,
like traumatic,
traumatizing.
Yeah.
Imagine going to Disneyland and like Mickey's nose just fell off. That never happens.
No.
But for some reason, VeggieTales always had some.
Had something. We had something going on.
This is also over. Going on.
This was 16 years ago.
Yeah. So anywho, but enough. We should react to VeggieTales sometime. Is that still a thing?
Oh my gosh.
Enough of VeggieTales. Let's go to our other favorite vegetable. That didn't make any sense.
No sense at all.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Brussels sprouts.
Oh gosh.
Or
really?
carrots.
Oh.
I love carrots.
I mean, I love both, but Brussels sprouts is a strong lead.
I think I like a lot of vegetables. Actually, I like them all into one. I just like green juice. I don't love just eating raw vegetables. I love drinking my vegetables.
Oh, I mean, I don't know that answer either. I love asparagus and I love cucumbers.
Asparagus makes your pee smell.
Do you love the vegetable tomato?
Yeah.
Stumped you. It's a fruit.
Isn't it?
It's a fruit.
Ow.
It's a fruit. That was a tap.
No, it wasn't.
You're
Nothing
so
about
tender.
you is ever tappy, except for your toes. That wasn't a joke. We are lappy tappy. Gosh, okay,
Did you ever have lappy tappy?
No, laffy taffy.
Laffy taffy, sorry.
Yeah.
We are out of control here.
Out of control.
We need to get back into control and get to this video.
Yes.
Which today is back to our fan and club and Vocal Lab Collective favorite, Morisette. All the way from the Philippines. You ready, Katie?
Go.
Morisette. Oh, she's been sick for days here. Okay, this is interesting. If she's been sick, very first take.
I got today. I'm gonna break it.
We get a raw vocal.
I'm gonna make it mine. This voice inside, now you can hear it. I know the choice is mine. I got this fire burning inside.
That's a cool effect.
That's really cool.
Super cool.
I got wings to fly so high. I am a woman, and I got the power. I got more to give, the love that you need. I am a woman, and I got the power.
Yeah, you do, girl.
Whoa. After being sick? Come on, girl.
Insane.
It's time. I got
Didn't it also say this is first take?
Yes.
Can't.
You're gonna see me shine the light. I got wings to fly so high. I am
Is that her husband? I just see a wedding ring, so I'm not sure.
I don't know, maybe. He's just like, can't believe this.
I don't know if that's a...
I've got the best of both worlds. I am a woman. You know that I got wings to fly so high.
What a fun
Yeah.
song.
I got hands to touch the sky, the sky. And come on again, for love that you need. I am a woman. I got the
No! Two lifts in there.
What a fun song. Yeah, girl.
Ah. He's just.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Wow, I love her. I love her.
I
I
mean,
love her. I love her. I
more
love
than
her.
I
love
ever
her. I love her. I
have.
love her.
More than I ever have.
We're getting to see so much more of her personality too. We're not just
Yeah.
seeing covers where she just slams it. We're getting like her heart, her energy, like every bit of her,
Well, yeah, and that was a very intimate thing she let us see, like
which I love
coming
and
off
respect.
sickness, being first take. I mean, to do that
Oh
first
my
take,
God. Okay.
done. Like that's when you know you are at the top of the top
Oh
of
my gosh.
music levels.
Insane. But also, I think it's such a treasure for you guys, her audience, to be able to see something so intimate and vulnerable.
For sure.
And I love how she's empowering you guys to not be afraid of your vulnerability and your moments where you might not feel as strong as you could be, but still show up and see what could happen. Because that's exactly what she did here.
Yeah.
And after being sick, and there's tons of artists that just cancel things for a long time until they feel 1,000%. And sometimes you're not going to. So her showing up after being sick, and then that's the first take, and then she shows it, and then she's, I mean, all of it.
Yeah, no, I know. And then we
And
got to
he
talk
was
about those.
cracking
We
me
got
up
to talk
with
about
his-
those two little like changes in that build there. That was insane.
I mean, that is beyond diva mode
that
there.
yeah, that is vocal prowess at its finest.
Yeah.
You were feeling that song because it was all about women.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I did a little research on this song before when we added it to the list because I saw it was new. Mm-hmm. And so this song she recorded this for the Miss Philippines pageant.
Oh, cool.
Competition. Yeah, which is really cool.
Very cool.
Yeah, and so I think there's a live version too where she sings this song.
I love this too.
She sang the song on the actual show for the competition. I actually one night in LA had dinner with 5 former Miss Philippines, the director of Miss Philippines, and a Formula One driver. It was a really fun night.
I bet.
Yeah, and I felt really extra handsome with all those
Oh my gosh, are you?
Miss Philippines.
I could imagine.
I think there was a Miss Universe with us too, or two or three Miss Universes. I don't
Jason.
know. It was over the top, Katie. You know.
You know what I
roll.
want to say?
You know how
with
I
this
roll.
song? I want to see her sing this song and then Celine Dion sing Courage right next to each other.
Oh, and then you and I should do it now.
Yeah, we'll do.
We are going to do a song together.
We are.
Yeah, do y'all want to hear Katie and I do a song together?
Let us
If you
know.
do, give us some comments and thoughts of what that song should be. Maybe a Christmas song.
Maybe a Christmas song.
Could be a good idea. We'll try to make that happen. We're both super busy between now and then, but we need to make that happen.
We do.
Also, you guys need to make it happen to hit that subscribe button. We
share
forgot
this
to do
with
that.
your friends.
Share your friends. Share the Morisette love, the Maury love.
Oh my gosh, the Maury love.
Share
we love
the
her.
Vocal Lab love. Just share
What
all
a woman.
the love.
What a woman.
What a woman. Power.
Power.
Katie, you're a woman.
I am. I almost said you are too. Just as a natural response.
Well,
I
it
am
depends
a woman.
on the day.
You know what? And I feel very empowered with this
Yes, as
song
you should.
and just things that
Yes.
life throw towards us as women, towards me, not you. I mean,
You're
us.
talking about my slaps and my
Yeah.
pats and
Yeah, literally.
my abusiveness.
Abusiveness.
I'm
I know it's
so
out of love.
abusive. I'm so abusive
Oh.
to Katie.
Don't-
Why did I say that so like sultry too?
Very sultry and very
It's
confidently.
all because, well, I mean, she empowered me
got the power
too.
now,
I got the power too. We all got the power. Hey, we're gonna turn the power out here. How'd you like that little segue
How would I
into
like
this?
that? That's
Until
great.
next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective with the
Collective.
lights out. Oh, we didn't cheers.